It's easy to feel powerless about breast cancer, but there are simple lifestyle changes you can make right now to put you in a better position to avoid the disease. It's really important to understand that we can take action. There are things we can do to lower our risk. Number 1. Eat a fiber-filled diet. Fiber, the part of plant-based foods that your body cannot absorb and digest, helps with everything from digestion to cholesterol and weight management. In a study published in 2016 proves that the women who ate about 3 daily servings of fiber-filled fruit when they were teenagers had a 25% lower chance of developing breast cancer as adults compared to those who ate less fruit. Hence, it is proven that intake of fiber-rich foods can reduce the occurrence of breast cancer. Number 2. Limit fat intake. Fat is a hotly contested nutrient. Different people have different opinion about it, but in a study published in JAMA Oncology in May found that women who followed low-fat diets had a 22% lower risk of dying of breast cancer as compared to women who did not adjust their fat intake. Number 3. Don't smoke. Smoking is typically associated with lung cancer, but some research suggests that carcinogens in cigarettes may also increase a person's risk of developing breast cancer. One study, published in the journal Breast Cancer Research in 2017, suggested that this risk may be particularly strong for people who start smoking early in life, potentially because of the way cigarettes affect hormonal pathways during breast development. Number 4. Think carefully about hormone replacement therapy. Among these lifestyle choices, avoid hormone replacement therapy for menopause. Research also found that it can increase breast cancer risk, but if you really want to discuss your specific case with your doctor. Number 5. Limit alcohol consumption. Regularly drinking alcohol is associated with at least 7 different kinds of cancer, and the link between booze and breast cancer is particularly strong, perhaps because alcohol can increase estrogen levels to a potentially dangerous degree. In a 2015 study of BMJ found that even 1 drink a day may increase risks of breast cancer. 2015 oncology study found that women with a genetic risk of breast cancer may be able to reduce it by limiting alcohol, cigarettes, and keeping body weight down. As October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so our mission is to aware as much as we can. Share this video with your loved ones. Spread breast cancer awareness. Hey, haven't you subscribed yet? Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and be the first one to watch my video.